Good morning, everyone. This is Steve from D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and it is 10:54 a.m. As you can see, it is an absolutely beautiful day today at D&D Gardening, and today I am going to do the real Florida weave. I don't know what I did over there, but it wasn't a Florida weave. So we're going to fix that because I knew there was a step I was missing. And of course, it's the important part, the weaving part. I know. Dumb bunny moment. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see, I've already tied all this off and everything, but I did it wrong. So I am going to untie these knots. That way I don't have to use new string, and I can just use the string that I originally put in place. And that is if I can get these, because I tied so many knots into them. Oh, good Lord. Now I'm sitting here thinking, is it worth me even trying to untie it, or should I just cut it all off and start with new string? Because I've got plenty orange string, but I'm almost out of my white string. Go away, bug. I see you. Okay, that's tying it even tighter. I want to go the other way. Alright, I got one side undone. Actually, I've got both sides undone. Let me do this. Oh, good Lord.
A few moments later.
Alright, change of plans. I'm cutting this because I don't have the patience to sit and try to untie knots. So, we're going to remove all of the string that I initially put in. Uh-oh. And he just floppy. Alright, what are y'all tangled up on? I might have to replace some of these. Okay, let go, darling. I'll use this string for something else. What? I don't know. But it'll find a use. I'll find a use for it, rather. These scissors are dull. I need to sharpen them. Alright, I'm just going to put on my tunes while I do this until I get ready for the weaving part. Okay, now for this part, I'm going to tie it off as low as I can get it, And as you see, I'm going around it a few times. I probably don't have to, but I am. Let me do this like a double knot. Okay, I've got it tied off. Now what I'm going to do is, here's the weaving part that I omitted initially. Oh, how am I going to do this? This is the time I need that GoPro, but I don't have a holder for it. Okay, so I'm just going to have to take you with me. Now, you take the string, let me zoom out, wrong way. You take the string and you go on one side of the plant. I really need to do something about these onions. And then you go on the other side of the plant and you're weaving it through like that. And see how I went on that side, the outside, then over here, because this is the same plant, it's just leaning. I went through the front and then I'm going to go onto the back. And then this is really hard to do. So I'm on the outside here, then I'm on the inside, and then I'm on the outside. And then I am going to take this, wrap it around here pretty tightly a couple times, as low as I can get it. Then, okay, no, that's just too much. Now I do the opposite. So I went on the back here, so I'm going to go on the front, dang planes, and then I am going to come around to the back of this one, and then to the front. Okay, little one, stop it. I'll come and straighten y'all up once I get y'all in. Okay, so outside, and then this one goes, well, that was inside, this is outside. And then I'm just going to keep on coming down. I'll just have to explain it once it's all done. Y'all need another haircut. Okay, this side shows the best weaving part. So I started on the outside of this plant. Now I'm going to go to the front, and then on this one I'm going to the back. And the same thing on these. Okay, so the front, back. You gotta make sure you get their little arms out the way. And then the front of this one. And the back of this one. And then cross. Get it on here nice and tight. And then, since I was on the back of this one, I'm going to go front and back, so it's the opposite. This one is front. Did y'all see that? Okay, so that was the back. Now I'm going to do front. And remember, you're always getting their little arms out the way. Okay, this one is the back. And this one's the front. And then cross. There we go. And on this one, I need to go up one more. I actually need to go up one more on all of them. So I'm skipping with 2 of these little bumps in between. All right, one more time. All right, so with this one, we're gonna go back, the front. Making sure all their little frills are out of the way. And I'm just gonna repeat the process. Okay, I thought I would bring you a little closer to how I did this Florida weave the correct way. So I've got my string tied off, and what you do is you start by going, let's say, the front, and then the next part of that string is in the back. See right there? And then you weave it to front, and then you go back. It's like a figure 8. So you're just going front, back, front, back, front, back, and then on your way back, you do back, front, back, however the string ends up once you start wrapping it around your anchor. And so I've got them done, and you have to also be very careful of their little arms, their little branches, because they be sticking out all over the place, and then they'll get caught up under the string going the wrong way, or you could break them, and you don't want that. It would have been easier had I had this entire bed full of tomatoes, but I do not. I'm getting ready to, though, because what I had planned today was to plant more tomatoes and eggplant in this bed, but time is getting away from me, and I don't like being out here, and I know my husband's going to.
Hey, do you see those buttons below the video? Tap on a couple of them. That's what they're there for. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Shout out your state and zone as well.
But it's just too hot. And it's just hot. I'm hot-natured, so I stay hot all the time. But anyway, that's the Florida weave done properly. Okay, so that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you for joining me. I don't like that. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time visiting our channel or watching one of our videos, please consider to That is going to do it for this video today. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next time, I'll see you again. Bye. Can you not be hitting me in the face? Thumbnail. Okay.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.